Hello, everybody, and good evening to all of my traders around the world. Look at the big drop. We called it. We have more downside coming. We don't have any support. I'm going to draw a trend line right here just so you can see it, so you can understand clearly why a bull run has bear market pullbacks in the third month going into calendar month of November. That sets the stage, and we got support 1 here and support number 2 down here. Now when we get over here, we have other support levels. Look for lower lows in the NASDAQ-100, lower lows in the month of November. The bull is very strong. Let us not forget.